Hey everyone, it's Sarah Photo here, and I am here planning for the week of October 22nd through the 28th. It's going to be a pretty simple setup. I'm going to do a horizontal setup because mentally I'm just not all there. So I'm going to go ahead and get started on that, and I'll see you on the flip side. So this is an ultra simple setup for this week. I don't really have a lot of time to make any designs or anything like that, so I am doing a simple weekly where I am just trying to keep tasks very bare, and then I have this more section for tasks that maybe don't fit or are recurring things throughout the week or something like that. So I'm going to try to make the most use of this space as I can. It'll be kind of interesting to say the least. So all this washi tape is from Simply Gilded, and I used some Tombow M15, which is a little frayed. It's one of my older pens, and then this Muji .38. I don't really have time to migrate tasks over or anything like that, and I'm filming pretty early in the week as well, so hopefully you guys like this type of video, even though it's ultra fast and ultra simple, but sometimes simple is really all you need. So I hope you guys like this video, and I will see you next time on Wednesday. Bye everyone.